Okay, so let's talk about if you have a rejection for your A2P messaging campaign verification. So, in order to figure out, let's first find out why it was rejected. So, when you're on your, first of all, you're going to go to settings and you're going to be in phone numbers on your menu screen on the left hand side here. When you go to Trust Center, here at the top, it'll bring you to the A to A2P wizard. Um, Down here where it says campaign, you'll see where it says rejection reason, excuse me. And you're going to click on this so you can get a better explanation of what's going on and why they rejected you. So, for example, let's say here there's two reasons. One is for a use case description, the other is for a message flow. For this use case description, apparently there wasn't a privacy policy um, that was on the use case description line that could be verified. Probably it was not even present, where it didn't even exist. Maybe there was a line there that said it was, but it didn't exist when they try to verify it. The message flow one, um, this was because possibly the opt-in information was not clear, or it did not exist as well too, even though it was listed on the message flow section inside of the campaign that you submitted. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in, um, update the information, have you, or if you need to go back and update, let's say your privacy policy, or make sure that your opt-in information is there, we'll do that as well too.